Have you ever wondered what makes physics so fundamental to our world? Physics explains everything we see, from the smallest particles to the vast universe. Today, let's explore some key disciplinary ideas of physics step by step. First, let's talk about concepts. Physics is based on laws that describe natural phenomena. These laws can predict outcomes if applied correctly. Next, we'll cover mechanics. Mechanics describes motion and forces. It helps us understand how objects move and interact. Think of it as the groundwork for moving everything, from cars to planets. Now, let's discuss thermodynamics. This study of heat and energy transfer influences various systems. It helps explain how engines work and why ice melts. Another important idea is electromagnetism. This area examines electric and magnetic fields, which are essential in everyday technology. From your phone to power lines, electromagnetism is everywhere. Moving forward, let's address waves and optics. Wave behavior helps us understand sound and light. This is crucial for technologies like lasers and musical instruments. Lastly, we have quantum mechanics. This branch explores the behavior of tiny particles. It reveals a peculiar world where things act differently than larger objects. To summarize, physics encompasses various disciplinary ideas: mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, waves, and quantum mechanics. Together, they provide a framework for understanding our universe. Now that you know the foundational ideas of physics, explore them further. Dive into books, take classes, or watch more videos. The world of physics awaits you.